This is a very common weed in our part of the world. This is the cheese weed. In Pahari, we call it Sharotala. But did you know that in the Middle East, they make a cuisine out of it called Khubeize? We have Khalil with us from Jordan who is going to make Khubeize out of this common weed, this Sharotala.
Yeah, this is a plant we were talking about. It's similar to spinach.
Right.
It's called Khubeize in Arabic.
Khubeize.
Khubeize, yeah.
Khubeize.
Yeah. In English, it's cheese weed. I mean, you can cook it the same way as spinach, really. But what you want to look for here are the younger leaves, because as you can see, this plant has
Started
yeah,
seeding.
it's starting to flower and seed. So
Right.
these leaves are quite old, but if we can pick some seeds from here, it is nutritious. And a saying that we have in where I'm from, we have a saying that this is food for the poor and medicine for the rich.
And you're going to make something out of it today?
Yeah, we will. Yeah.
And what are you going to call it?
It's called Khubeize, the same as the plant. I hope
Wonderful.
you like it. Any leaves with a bit of yellow or has gone a bit brown, forget it. And the leaves are also curved like this. They can be a bit chewy, something we don't want. Also like these type of leaves. What we need are leaves like this that are open. It can even also be bigger, it's fine, but as long as it's green all over. Yeah. And we see there's another good one. And I'm sure most people like baby spinach more than the longer leaf one. Okay, I think from here we've already picked. Yeah, wash it good because I saw insects also before.
Yeah, that's why it's better with
Yeah.
the machine.
Yeah, you can still put some salt.
So what do you want to listen? Name page everywhere.
You put olive oil and then you put onion.
Onion and just salt. For
And now what are you going to do?
I'm gonna put brown sugar and then it's gonna become caramelized and or mushy. Yeah.
Yeah. Or close. Yeah.
What are you guys making?
Aioli,
What
garlic
aioli?
sauce,
Garlic mayonnaise.
garlic mayonnaise. Yes,
Dip?
dip, dip.
Yes.
The sauce.
Yeah. I saw dip.
Oil
Or
very
steamed,
simple.
steamed
Yeah,
cook
steamed.
fish.
Yeah.
But now we will get like some small carrots and radish and. Ah oui, là, c'est pas 200 litres.
Yeah, we're a bit behind. Now we're current. Maybe I should ask the other guys for the bigger knife.
You have salt and lemon if you want.
Okay.
I think that the olive oil is giving a lot of taste. Don't you think like olive oil is giving too much, too strong taste?
No, I feel like not much. There is a garlic which is making like I think.
Yeah.
And there is something else like herb.
But
something.
what?
Is there a herb or something inside?
No, just lemon,
Onion.
salt. Yeah, lemon.
But if I was you, maybe add a bit of curd.
A curd?
Yeah.
Some. You can try in your plate. Little bit of curd. I don't know.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
I think it's off limits.
Yeah.
Yeah? You think so?
Yeah, like bro, can you cook curd in your shakshuka?
Well done. That's what sauce make it. Shrink. I'll shrink then I'll put more. I'll add more, but it will shrink. Like smooth.
Yeah.
This one I think is Sandhya.
It is very cool.
Yeah. I just want to try this first. Okay, you guys can start to bring this in 2 more minutes.
What?
No.
No. Actually, I like this like the fan.
Can you cut the other lemon?
This one.
7 tomorrow?
Yeah.
You are leaving at 7? That's what you said?
Yeah.
Why so early?
I think outside. And
I'm a director, so we don't have to go to now.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's see. I think
this?
like no, on the.
I know in here.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
thank you then.
Thank
you, yeah.
you everyone.
Yeah, thank you.
And thank you to Khalil. Khubeize.
Khubeize. Can you say it again?
Khubeize. Yeah, wow, she knows. Khubeize. Khubeize.
Khubeize.